Welcome to Poker Pathshala. Learn for free, play for free, and become a poker pro. In this chapter, we're going to learn about all the poker hands and their respective rankings. And side by side, we will also create a hand ranking cheat sheet, which you can consult while you're playing. After watching this video, you will never be confused about hands and their rankings in poker. The basic logic of hand rankings in poker is that the lower the chances of making a hand are, the stronger that hand is. Your personal 2 and the 5 community cards that are open on the table make a total of 7 cards. Your goal is to use these and make the best possible 5-card combination you can. If you're still not familiar with the basic concepts of poker, then definitely watch Poker Pathshala's first chapter, Poker Basics. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss a single chapter. And now, let's begin today's Pathshala. First hand, high card. This is the weakest hand in poker. If there is no connection in your hand, then it is only a high card hand. Whichever card is the highest, the hand is known by that card. And the hand with the highest card wins. Imagine that your whole cards, that is, your personal cards, are an ace and a 7. And the community cards are king, queen, 8, 9 and jack. Here, your best 5 cards are ace high, ace from your whole cards and king, queen, jack and 9 from the board. Pair. Whenever any 2 cards match, it is known as a pair, whether they are in a player's hand or on the board. Again, if you have an ace and a 7, and this time the board opens ace, king, 8, 9, jack, then you have a pair of aces. 2 pair. If the best 5-card hand has 2 different pairs, then this is known as 2 pair. Whichever hand has the highest pair wins the hand. Here, the above hand, 9s and 2s, is better than 8s and 6s. If we have a look at the previous example again, you have an ace and a 7, and the board opens ace, king, 7, 9, jack. Now, the hand is a 2-pair hand, because the best 5-card hand has an ace pair as well as a 7 pair. 3 of a kind. 3 of a kind is also known as trips. If 3 cards of the same value open, then it's called 3 of a kind. Let's say you have an ace and a 7, and the board opens ace, ace, king, 8, 9. As you can see, in this case, you have 1 ace in your hand and 2 in the community cards. So, there are 3 cards of the same value, and this becomes trips. Straight. When all 5 cards form a sequence, which is, they are of consecutive value, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then this is known as a straight. Imagine that you have a 10 and a jack, and the board opens 7, 8, 9, 2 and 3. Then your hand becomes a jack-high straight, with 7, 8, 9, 10 and jack. Flush. If all 5 cards are of the same suit, then this hand is called a flush. If 2 players have a flush, then similar to high card, the hand with the highest card, in this case the king high diamond flush, wins the hand. Imagine that your whole cards are 6 and 7, and both are clubs. The community cards that open are ace, king, 8, 9, jack. And here, ace, king and jack are clubs. Then your hand becomes ace, king, jack, 6 and 7 of clubs, which is a flush. Full house. A full house is made up of 2 parts, 3 cards of one value and 2 cards of another value. In a way, it is a combination of trips and a pair. Here, in the hand, you can see trip 7s. So the way to say this hand is 7s full of 10s. If we reverse this, and we get trip 10s and a pair of 7s, then this will be called 10s full of 7s. The full house hand with the higher trips wins the hand. If you have ace, king as your whole cards, and the board opens ace, ace, king, 7 and 8, then this becomes a full house for you, as this hand becomes ace, 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 king, king, known as aces full of kings. 4 of a kind. 4 of a kind means 4 cards of the same value. This is also known as quads. Imagine you have 2 aces, and the board is ace, ace, jack, king and 9. Then your best hand is ace, 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 king, or Quad aces. Straight flush. Straight flush means all 5 cards are in a sequence and of the same suit. So it is like a straight that is also a flush at the same time. This is the strongest hand in poker. Here, if you have 8-9 of hearts and the board is 5-6-7 ace and king, all hearts, there is already an ace high flush on the board, but your hand is even stronger than that. Your hand forms 5-6-7-8-9 of hearts and becomes a straight flush. Royal flush. Royal flush and straight flush only have one difference, which is the value of the cards. If 10 to ace, which is 10 jack queen king ace, form a straight flush, then this is called a royal flush. And because there is no higher possible straight than this is poker's best possible hand. And this completes our cheat sheet. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this and use it to play poker on Ballebazi. Download Ballebazi's app. After logging in, head to BB Arcade where you will find poker free rolls 24/7. Free roll means the entry is absolutely free and the prize is real cash. Through Poker Pathshala's short videos and playing free rolls on Ballebazi, you too can become a poker pro. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a new video.